An easy way to draw objects on each plane of this box is by using the UCS command to change its origin. So let's see how that works. First, type in the command line UCS, and you'll notice this menu pop up right here. Now type in the command line again, 3P, which stands for 3 points. And essentially what you'll be able to do now is to select a corner and adjust the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis will be pulled outside automatically. Now, if I draw a line, you'll see that I'm on this plane according to my UCS. If you want to do the same thing but on this plane, you'll have to type in the command line UCS and configure it again using the 3P option.